better than I ever considered. Your forgiveness heals the depths of my being. This where I find acceptance, no exceptions, undeniably free. After all I've seen, it's so clear to me. Without the love of Jesus, I don't know where I would be. Overwhelming grace covers all my days. The perfect love of Jesus is everything to me.
Amen.
I don't have to strive for perfection in your presence. I have all that I need. Now you deceit in my questions, and you listen. Oh, you're patient with me. After all I've seen, it's so clear to me. Without the love of Jesus, I don't know where I would be. Overwhelming grace covers all my days. The perfect love of Jesus is everything to me. It's so clear to me. Without the love of Jesus, I don't know where I would be. Overwhelming grace covers all my days. The perfect love of Jesus is everything to me. Thank you po. So, why I sing po this song is very, ano po sa akin, kasi yung line dito na nagsabi na everything I've seen, na makikita natin na kung wala yung love of Jesus, I don't know where I would be. Kung saan ako ngayon, hindi ko alam kung wala akong Jesus, hindi ako na-save, hindi nag-ano si mama, hindi ko alam kung saan ako, siguro nasa world ako, or matagal na akong wala dito sa mundo. So I'm very thankful because I found the love of Jesus, the perfect love of Jesus that binds each one of us.
Amen.
We're not here if we don't have Jesus, if we don't believe in God's salvation. I'm just very grateful because of the blessings that regardless of the struggles that I face, di ko alam kung paano. Ayun, marami simula nung high school, college, hanggang na nakarating dito sa Hong Kong. Dumating sa point na yung parang ayaw mo nang, kasi akala mo mamatay ka na. Yung sinave ka ni Lord, binibigyan ka pa ng other life or one chance na mabuhay. Kasi nga, the last time I mentioned na mati ka na akong mamatay because of an illness that I thought that I would die from that illness. But God still does have plan on my life. The purpose that nandito ngayon, I'm still here standing on the front of you, giving praise and worship with God. That's why, kahit po sabihin yung bata-bata mo, pag ganyan ka na mag-ano sa Panginoon, but it doesn't matter of how young or old you are. What matters is your heart. If you really want to serve and you really know who God is, who Jesus in our life is, you will not doubt, or yung parang hindi ka na magdadalawang isip to give your time for Him. Because everything that you have in your life belongs to Him. It's not from you. It's not from anyone, but it comes from God who gives everything that we had. So, wala kang maimagaling sa Kanya, kundi nothing. Wala talaga. Because without Jesus sa buhay natin, we're nothing. And pinagpasalamatan ko rin po sa inyong lahat. Each one of you po, lalo na po yung pag-aayudan niyo sa akin. Ayuda ng barangay, maraming salamat po. Sa mga mayura dyan, salamat po, puputuhin ko po kayo. Thank you so much po and more blessings po sa inyo. Yes po, and I know God, God will, alam mo po yung hindi po blind si God sa mga binibigay niyo, sa mga blessing niyo. And I hope that someday I could give also back to you. And even though, start muna tayo sa prayer. Prayer po muna yung mga ibibigay ko. But I know prayer is the best thing, precious thing na may ibibigay mo sa someone.
Amen.
Na prayer, because God hears our prayer more than material. So, yun po, thank you so much, Pastor, for everything. Ay. Pastor. And yes po, thank you po sa lahat. I hope na marami po, lalo na po susulinin natin, compassion with other souls. It is very important po kasi that is the greatest commission. Paano na lang, ikaw lang, you are already saved. How about the others? How about the other people around us? How about your relatives? How about your friends? Especially our close friends, family. Even ikaw pa siguro yung na-save. How about them? Ikaw lang ba gusto pumunta ng heaven? So, we wanted to also to share the salvation with others. So, thank you po and have a good day. Have a blessed everyone. Thank you po.
Bye.